Never ever underestimate the good things that you do. Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Muhammad Arshad, and today I'm in a park. You're probably going to hear lots of noise in the background. What I want to share with you today is actually about giving back and developing children. Alhamdulillah, I was very blessed to work with children in terms of teaching them Quran, teaching them Islamic studies and things like that. I did that for many years, and I think it's something that is amazing. I believe it's something everyone should do in terms of teaching children, and I think it's something that basically pays rewards forever. The reason I'm saying that is today, alhamdulillah, I had a call for one of my ex-students. He just called me out of the blue. He's at Leeds University. He's actually on his way to being a doctor, inshallah, and he was just calling me, and he was just basically working on just doing his uni thing, and then instead of just carrying on with his day, he called me to find out how I was, find out what's going on, if we can meet up, and just and this is someone I taught Quran to, so you imagine what it was like when you're Quran teacher, right? And then when I think about it, just on the way to the park here, I met another one of my students, and he was just walking. He's like really tall and big again, and he was talking about how he's going to the gym, and he's like doing boxing and all this kind of stuff. And both the brothers showed me so much respect. You know, they're young men now, but showing me so much respect, so much love, so much admiration, and it's just so rewarding. And so if you have any free time, if you have anything to give, I would say give it to the youth, give it to the young people. There's so much in need, and there's so much benefit that they'll get from it, and even more than that, you'll get something from it. You'll get this sense of satisfaction, you'll get development in your own self, because real excellence comes from you teaching. So my message for you today is take an hour, just an hour of your day, maybe an hour of your week, and go and give it to someone who's young, someone who needs you as an inspiration. JazakAllahu khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.